In this video, I want to explain to you what Vadim Zealand meant in the book Tufty The Priestess by igniting the creator spark within you. Okay, let's get right into it. There's pretty much a whole chapter about this topic in the book. And, it's a small book, so if there's a whole chapter about it, it means that it's fairly important, right? Igniting the creator spark. Fancy words, but what do they actually mean? So, what you'll notice, right? If you look at most of the world, most of the people living in this world, they live in a very unconscious state, meaning they don't know what they're thinking all day. They don't know what they're intending all day. They just are like bags of emotions just waiting to just, project their emotions onto each other, and just all this conflict and just, they live in a state where they don't think that their dreams are possible. Matter of fact, most people have given up on their dreams, and it's just like this daily existence that changes very little day to day. And it's almost like a maintenance of life rather than actually exploring the possibilities of creation, of life itself. So I know the start of the video is a little bit pessimistic, but hang on with me. We're going to get a little more positive. I just want to kind of make it clear to you, the state that most of the world lives in, a state of just stagnation, a state of not knowing or not even believing that it is possible for them to live a good, abundant life, all their dreams fulfilled. Okay, so when we talk about creating your own reality, when we're talking about intentional living, now that you're living in this way where you are desiring a better life, and you're coming across a lot of concepts on the internet in books that are telling you that you can create the life that you really want, this curiosity starts to build up, right? And you start to do things a little differently. Maybe you're following some reality transurfing techniques, some Tufty techniques. Now what you need to do in order to actually make those work for you, and what you need to do to make or create your own reality in an accelerated way, in a faster fashion, is to ignite the creator spark. And the creator spark gets ignited within you when you do start to live intentionally, live with greater purpose, with greater drive, with believing that what you want is possible for you. Not only is it possible for you, that it is likely for you. And you have to think of yourself and everybody else as an individuation of that greater power, of the creator, whatever word you want to give it. And we are all like walking gods on this planet with the ability to truly create anything that we want, to take our imagination and create out of it physical reality, bring our visions into physical reality, make them real for us. You have this ability, but it cannot be done until you ignite that creator spark. And that creator spark, as Vadim mentions in the book, is ignited when you start to live intentionally, when you start to work on yourself, when you start to strive to become the best you that there can be. How can you do this? Many ways. First, just start by actually building yourself up physically. Not meaning like you have to go lift weights in the gym and like start building your body, but simply just start getting the energy moving in your body. You cannot do anything in this life if your body is ill and, declining. And that's a very natural effect that your body will start to go through, a process that your body will start to go through if you stop paying attention to it. So that is first and foremost. If you want to ignite the creator spark within, first take care of the vessel through which you start bringing things into manifestation. And that is by literally just starting to exercise, taking better care of your body, taking care of what you eat, right? Being more mindful of that. Doing things that are actually bringing you energy rather than just depleting you all the time. And then on top of that, have a goal. Have a goal in life. If you don't have a goal in life, your life force will literally start to depreciate and decline until literally it's just waiting for your death. And I'm not trying to be pessimistic when I say that. I'm not trying to be negative, but if you are not living intentionally and you are not driven towards a goal and working towards that goal every single day, you are literally just waiting to decline and depreciate until you're gone. Because that's the nature of physical life. Everything physical has to be maintained and kept up and kept going. Anything that is not improving is declining. Okay? Even if you're maintaining something, it is most likely just declining over time. So start working on yourself. Have a goal. Seek to become greater and seek to expand than what you currently are, what you currently do, where you currently are. When you start to have that drive to expand beyond your limits, to do something greater than you believe is maybe, possible for you even. Just moving through that comfort zone, trying to create something like big for yourself or others. It ignites that creator spark in you. Now that spark that was so necessary, that thing that lights your eyes up every single morning when you wake up, now that will be present within you. And so when you do start to compose your reality, right? Like when you're living intentionally, you're visualizing, you're working towards your goal. Now this spark can help you move towards that vision faster, can help you manifest your visions into physical reality faster. And you can just kind of even feel it in your energy. Other people can feel it in your energy. They'll just feel like you're more alive. There's something different about you. You care about what you do. You love living life as compared to most other people that are just kind of maintaining. Okay, so how can you start to improve yourself? Seek greater wisdom, seek greater knowledge, read more, educate yourself, start eating healthy, start exercising, start working with passion towards your goals. Start picking up certain passions, right? Like, what are you truly passionate about? Not even picking up certain passions, just become clear about what you are passionate about. What brings you to life? What would you have to do to make your life a continual holiday? Start doing more of that. Live through passion rather than fear. And start to just seek to become better every single day. As you do that, as you build this person up, the natural intelligence, the greater intelligence through which everything comes into being will actually start flowing through that vessel and start to accelerate the manifestation process of whatever it is that your goal is, whatever it is that you're trying to bring into physical existence. So this is something that you must do side by side while you're working on your goals. Even if your goals are very simple, like, improving your relationships and just having a better home life, personal life, whatever it may be, you will be more successful in those goals if you ignite this creator spark within. So work on yourself, build yourself up, seek to become the best person that you can be mentally, physically, spiritually, in every regard, in every area. And that creator spark will be ignited and it will aid you in everything that you do. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions about this video. Place them in the comment section below. If you want more Tufty videos, also let me know, please, okay? If you want one-on-one coaching with me to accelerate the process of manifestation even further, click the link in the description box below and contact me and we'll get in touch, okay? But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Peace.